So it's full time here in the JD Welsh Cup, Aberystwyth Town and into the next round. We're here with manager Matthew Bishop. Matt, must be pleased to get to the next round.
Delighted. This is always going to be a tough game for us today. Holywell a decent team. We probably couldn't win today really, if I'm honest. We were expecting a win, and if we'd lost it would have been a disaster for us in many ways. So no, I'm pleased. Disappointed with our performance first half. Sounds a silly thing, we were 2-0 up, but I was disappointed with us. Far too open for my liking. We lost our shape and our discipline. Better second half, still areas of improvement. I generally think we could have won the game a little bit more comfortably. We had enough chances to win the game, but you know, credit to Holywell, they stuck in there and continued to give us problems.
As you said there, we've created plenty of chances to Borelli and Jeff Kerr. We were both a threat throughout. How positive is it to see us creating those chances?
Well, I'd be worried if we weren't. You know, but I'd also be lying if I said I wasn't disappointed that we didn't take them. So, you know, to be fair, Jeff and Luke are a little bit frustrated in there because they could have got themselves quite a few goals today between them. So, but they haven't, you know, and you know the game is about taking your chances. And you know, I was moaning about that last week, in the last couple of weeks, and I suppose we've created them. We just haven't taken them today.
As you said earlier as well, Holywell a very, very good side, and we've proved tough opposition many times to us in the past. But we, except for Chris Mullock's double save, they haven't really created much except for that. How pleased is that from the defensive point of view?
Yeah, but that doesn't really tell the story of the game, because I just thought we weren't very good. You know, I thought, and that's me being brutally honest. I thought we just lost our discipline. We were too deep. We had distances between units weren't right, and we needed a talk. And we had a talk about that at half time, and we were a little bit better second half. But I suppose it became a little bit like a basketball game at the end, where they were attacking, we were attacking, and there were spaces all over the place. And you know, we did have a few chances from that, and we didn't take them.
And finally, any preference in the next round of the Cup?
Not at all. You know, listen, I'm irrespective. We've got to do the job now. I'm not going to worry about that until was it 28th of January is the next round. You know, I'm pleased today that you know we've got on the score sheet and we had a clean sheet. I'm pleased that you know Jack Rimmer's had another great game. Delighted for him and Ollie Fairbrother as well for getting into the Welsh Colleges squad next weekend. So you know, it's a positive for us at the football club now that we've got some young players that are coming through and they're getting a chance. So no preference from me. The priority now is next week, and we go game to game and try and work towards that 14th of January. You know, those games are really important for us now, and we work our way through to there, and then I can worry about the next round on the 28th.
Bish, many congratulations and all the best next week.
Thanks, mate.